I really need to change up this room. I've lived here 1 year now and it's still blank white walls and a mess all the time. My office is in my closet is in my office, it's just a mess. So if you like room renovations and desk setups, this is the video for you. When I wake up, I want to be excited to come in here. I want it to be a bright and inspiring space, somewhere I can get ready and somewhere where I can focus and do my work. I'm due a bit of an upgrade. I'm going to switch out my Amazon desk for an autonomous standing desk and just try and create the workspace slash getting ready room of my Pinterest dreams. Let's go. Let's clear this room out so we have a good baseline. This is sort of the current setup we're working with. We've got my desk, monitor, a couple of accessories, and then we have a seating area over here. Plus like wardrobe and clothes, but I think I want to move the seating area over here and take my clothes out of the area. Anyway, let's focus on the desk for now. Heart attack. Easy girl. Okay, the room is cleared out apart from this couch because it's staying in here. I cannot wait to change it up. This is the space we're working with. I want to get a standing desk and keep it in the same spot, and I think some new shelves above it to highlight the really high ceilings would be nice. I'm thinking some trailing plants and books to sort of add that color. Then I really want to find a new chest of drawers or something to store my clothes in to fit in this little nook over here under the window. Then to the right, maybe a mirror and somewhere to do my makeup. I'm not too sure. I've already purchased a few things like the shelves and some artwork for the walls. I have an autonomous standing desk on its way to me in the post. I chose the Smartdesk Pro with the white legs and classic desktop in walnut to go with the color palette of the inspiration photos and mood board I'll show you in a second. I'm excited to finally have a standing desk because I work from home full time. I don't want to be sitting down as much throughout the day. I want the ability to sit or stand whenever I feel like it in a workspace that's more ergonomic. I've been scrolling on Pinterest. I'm thinking plants. Lots and lots of plants. When I walk in here in the morning, I want to feel greenhouse vibes. I want to feel like I'm walking into a garden. I want to feel alive. I want to breathe in fresh oxygen. Stimulate my mind. I want pops of color on the wall. It's been blank white for way too long. I also want a little makeup station. That would be fun. And as for the desk, I'm feeling wood, browns, greens, and little pops of white. I'm just gonna put some like reference images and pictures of my vision up there. Also, when I say we're on a budget, we are on a budget. A lot of this stuff that I got for my desk specifically was gifted to me. Stuff for decorating because I have ordered some stuff already, just as I say I'm on a budget. Ignore that. A lot of the stuff was gifted to me for the desk, my first ever brand collab. But aside from that, we need to keep things on the low end. So I'm trying to like brainstorm ideas. How can we DIY? Secondhand charity shops, Facebook Marketplace. I'm praying to the Facebook Marketplace gods. I'm manifesting plants, and I'm manifesting a big mirror. I really want a big mirror for this space. Fingers crossed, toes crossed, everything crossed. That is the vision. Let's see how it turns out. Charity shop haul. I found these little vases, 3 matching ones for £3. I think they look really cute around here with some dried flowers in them. Also, this massive print and glass frame, all for £15. This was coming off. I did a little DIY fix, and this adorable little flower pot plant thing. It's just so cute. I couldn't say no. Also got these framed prints, a matching set. I really just like the frame, to be fair, but the design is cute as well. I'd consider that a very successful charity shop day. Got a good baseline of stuff to decorate with. I'm just gonna start scrolling on Facebook Marketplace and see what I can find. 10 minutes ago, I walked out and I met someone off Facebook Marketplace to pick up this monitor arm. £15. I was thinking about spray painting it white though. I really wanted a white monitor arm to look like the monitors floating above the desk. The desk has arrived in 2 parts, legs and top. Let's unbox. They have got this locked in there. Mission impossible. Come out! I'm not kidding you, that was one of the hardest things I've ever had to open. There she is! How high does this go? What's an appropriate height? This is so fun. Love. Love. This is not a great situation, so let's do some cable management. Today is a Facebook Marketplace day. I have been on a Facebook Marketplace binge. I have so many things secured I'm ready to pick up. They're all mine. I'm ready to go get them. I've got mirrors, lampshades, side tables. I've already collected some plants. I'll go over them when we actually do the haul. A really weird coincidence happened where I was looking on Facebook Marketplace, scrolling. Fast forward to yesterday, I found this little clothes rack that I really liked, and the girl that was selling it said that she's moving out soon. She's having a big moving sale. You can come collect it at this address. And I'm like, that's my address. Turns out she's my upstairs neighbor. She's moving out. She's getting rid of a bunch of stuff, and I have first dibs on it all. Facebook Marketplace always comes through. Let's go. Secured. 2 Facebook Marketplace mirrors. I didn't even check them. I didn't even look at them. I just saw the pictures online and I was like, I'll take them. So this is my first time seeing them too. That's sick. Oh my god, they were selling these for so cheap. Such a cool shape. Never used. Literally new. I'm so happy about these. I did not expect them to be this big either. They were only selling them because they've got these tiny little black marks here.
I did my best. And then this is quite small, but like the little plant stand. Where's the I'll just pop that in. Thanks for helping me like off the load.
Speak to you soon. Score. It's perfect. A lovely lady just dropped these off for me outside on the curb from Facebook Marketplace. They fit perfectly in this little nook here. Time for the Facebook Marketplace haul. First up, plant. The 2 mirrors. One here, one down there. Beautiful lampshade that I brought back with me on the train last night. The IKEA closet drawers. I'm gonna have a little dressing station, jewelry and plants. This gorgeous plant. Number 2, I was watering it and repotting it because it looked like it really needed it. This handy clothing rack from my upstairs neighbor. Massive floor length mirror from my upstairs neighbor as well. And this cute little side table she gave me because she's just gonna throw it out anyway. Let's put this all into place and start decorating. As for desk decor, Oaky Wood was kind enough to send me some essentials. A dual laptop dock. Then we've got a charging pad and a catch-all tray. I'm so excited for these. Here we've got the dual laptop dock. I'll stick my work laptop and iPad in there. Then we have their charging block because I'm always running out of charge. They also sent me this catch-all tray for pens, glasses, whatever you want. So it's time to place them all on the desk alongside their stunning monitor stand. This is going to be the main base for the setup. I love that they all match like a set that ties everything all together and really adds that sort of natural element. And I'm trying to add those pops of white where I can, going off the mood board pictures that I saved before. The white is also going to come into play with my new keyboard. This is a dust silver mechanical keyboard. Let's do a little typing ASMR. The keys just feel so silky and the sound is hitting all the right places for me. Moment of truth. I'm about to drill into the wall. I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, a little bit of a story time. I got a message today from a friend that she found my channel just in her recommended. Fuck it, let's do it. She was like, look who came up on my feed. And I was like, yay. I was dying inside. I think I figured this out. This is terrifying. One of the screws isn't happening. I think I touched the beam. The beam's here. I think that one's just not cutting it. Oh no. Oh. Stop. Legally a certified builder now. I need like 7 more shelves right now. A shelf here, a shelf there, a shelf here, a shelf there, a shelf here. I need a mini shelf here, a shelf here. Maybe up there. Shelves are us. I haven't actually seen the room in the daylight yet. I finished up decorating late last night, so let's go have a first look. Oh my god. I'm turned on. Time for a room tour. Are you ready? This used to be a blank white wall, and now we've got a cute little feature side piece thing going on. It's just so cute. I guess it's sort of just like a display cabinet thing, but this is like a garden shelf from IKEA. I'm usually not a massive fan of like big pops of color, but I think it works really well in like toned down way. I love this lamp, giving me like Parisian grandma. My cute little milk jug. And it's so cute up here that it distracts from the storage down here. Then over here, I bought this ivy. This was actually the package that came at the start of the video. I think it really adds to the greenery, that real fresh oxygen that I wanted. And I put these here just to kind of disguise the boiler. My boiler's in here and it's kind of an eyesore. I think this works as a distraction. Then we've got my beautiful sage green closet cabinet and the jewelry station. Rings, accessories, like hair clips. It's just all my most regularly used bits and pieces of jewelry. Earring stand. This earring stand is from eBay, I'm pretty sure, but very handy for like holding up to your ear and checking what goes with your outfit that day. This light was from Amazon. This plant stand is from IKEA. I've had it for a while. It was in another room, but I think it just suits this room better. Oh, I did a little drawer for tech stuff because this is the one that's right next to my desk and most accessible. Now onto the star of the show, the desk. Here's the standing desk, finished and in action. We've got my laptop and my iPad in the Oaky Wood laptop dock. And their beautiful monitor stand as well. This was from Primark, I'm pretty sure. Mechanical keyboard from Dust Silver. This was from eBay. It was like £5. Here's the Oaky Wood catch-all tray. I've just got like my Fitbit in there and some skincare, a little hair clip too. And here's the Oaky Wood phone charger. Do a little demo. This, I think 3D printed. It's one of those little gyroids from Animal Crossing. I want to say I was obsessed with these like as a kid, but no, like fully obsessed as an adult. It was during COVID, I got a Switch and I didn't shower for like a week. I just played Animal Crossing. Working from home and editing videos for hours can really take its toll, so it feels so good to give my back a break. I actually feel really focused standing up when I work. Also, I love how smooth the motor is. There's no shaking, my stuff feels really secure, and it was so easy to program my favorite heights in, so if I feel like standing or sitting, it's there at the touch of a button. I can change the backlight on my monitor to any color that I want, and I can also do themes of sounds with the app. I don't know why I'd want to listen to church bells while I work, but if that's your thing, you can do that. It's really cool, and if I ever want to change the color of my setup, it's super easy to do that. Up here we've got the shelves that I expertly put up. See this painting up there? I kind of ran out of budget and I really wanted some more wall art and clutter up here. I've still got a lot more clutter to put up. But specifically this painting, I painted that myself. I found a picture online. I know it's like, I think it's a famous painting. I wanted it in this room. We love plagiarism here. Here it is. Super impressed with myself. It's actually quite messy. Don't look too close. But here's the other one that I did. They just look really cute. Oh God. We've got a little drawing I did and a ticket to see the museum in Brussels that I went to with my mum. I am so glad I messaged this girl for this clothing rack because it has led to so many other cool things with her moving out of her flat. Down here we've got the little makeup station. Floor length mirror. Looking at the room now, like I'm absolutely in love. I'm pretty sure it's an IKEA mirror, and then this sword I got from the Knight's Vault. This salt lamp I think I got from Amazon. This couch is from made.com. It's like a futon, it pulls out for guests sleeping here or whatever, but I actually wouldn't recommend it. It's really uncomfortable. The mirror's in place. These are from Oliver Bonas, I'm pretty sure. Secondhand, obviously. And then a little picture of my family dog. I miss her so much. This is more than my vision. This is 100% gonna feed my delusion. I'm gonna wake up every day and be like, I live in a garden. I am fairy royalty. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I'm so happy with how it went. This was like 3 weeks in the making. Apologies for the lack of videos in the meantime. I'm so happy with how it turned out. You're gonna see many more videos in this room. I love the lampshade. I love the paintings. I love the greenery. I love the plants. I just know I'm gonna be so excited to wake up and come in here every morning. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you're interested in the standing desk, I'll put the link to this specific autonomous desk and their channel in the description. Now don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.